This the kitchen, y'all. Today is Wednesday, March 19th. It's like 9 p.m. My children are in the bed. The kitchen is definitely closed, baby. And I am about to clean this apartment. I have this chair right there because I have my tripod sitting in it when I record. So that's why I have that there. I'm about to clean up like all in the living room. To be honest, the only thing I have really been doing the most of, I've been cleaning up after myself and stuff like that, and just cleaning up the house, making sure it's clean and stuff like that. But I'm just dealing with so much. But I'm about to wash these dishes and talk to y'all. Hey y'all. So on Sunday, March 9th, my sister passed away. And I'm not going to talk too much about it. But my older sister died, and it just has been very, very sad. And since that day when my sister dying, before that day, it just was other news and stuff. Like, just a lot going on. Just a lot going on. So, if I'm doing stuff that don't make sense, it's kind of because my head is like all over the place. But I'm just rinsing the sink out, and I'm about to knock these dishes out. Yeah. So, it's like me and my family just dealing with a tough, rough time, sad time right now. And it's sad. It is very sad. I know I said I wasn't going to talk about it, but sometimes it's like you really do need to talk about different things. I was talking to a nurse, and of course she was telling me how cancer, it has different effects on different people. What it did to my sister was hurtful. Like, the day my sister died, and the way she looked a week before she died was a complete difference. Like, it's horrible. Like, it was horrible to see. That night, the night my sister died, I couldn't even sleep. I kept seeing the image in my head. Like, I know it's her, but it wasn't her. Like, it was her, but the way that cancer had her looking, it's like, who is that? It was like she was a corpse. She had just passed away in death. And she was a human being. But to look like something from a scary movie, hurts. Ooh, that hurt, y'all. That's a lot to process. Ooh, cancer is mean, vicious, evil. Cancer is something else. Oh, man. Y'all. I have so much to do. And I felt bad. I usually be on top of it, like having food together for my kids when they get out of school. And lately, I haven't even been cooking and stuff like that. It has been something else. It has been 10 days since my sister passed, and we still haven't even had the funeral. And I just feel that the funeral, that it should be closed casket, because for real, it's just bad. It's that bad. Oh man, it's that bad. Well, I couldn't let the dishes pile up anymore, y'all. I had to get in here. I had to get in here and take care of the shop. So, I'll be back. So, right now, the stove top is soaking. I have everything soaking. I have scrubbing bubbles, Comet cleanser, Dawn, and hot water. Everything is soaking, and then I'm going to come back and scrub it. I am tired. The time now is 10:25. I think I started at 9 o'clock. Whew. But it is definitely coming along, y'all. I have to put a garbage bag in the garbage can and just, ouch, I know it's like something black over here. Keeping up this floor, it's so much stuff. Like once I clean the hangout back there, under there, it was like a lot of debris came from there. Man, I'm not used to having a big table. I have to get the stuff from clean from under the table. My kids know they too old to be dropping stuff. I'm getting them watch. Y'all too grown to be dropping stuff. Y'all on my table. It's coming along. I have been getting a lot of texts tonight, and that's so confident. I've just been getting a lot of texts, especially when it's from like somebody that's really, really cool, and you know the person, like they being genuine, they not doing it just to push up on you or whatever. Like, come on now, I'm grown. Like, I see right through that. And people know when you're in a vulnerable state. Like, come on now, my sister just died, but that don't mean I'm about to get up with you. Like, for real, people try to use anything to their advantage. I'm like, where I put the garbage bags? I know they can't be too far. Yeah, people try to use anything to their advantage. Ooh. Got the garbage ready to go out in the morning, and I am just sweeping this floor. When I come back, I'm going to be mopping. What in the world? I look tinted up. Oh my goodness, I'll be back. I am exhausted. Let's see. It is now 11:05 p.m. So I just have to get out trash and then do the mopping. And I will be completely done. I changed the table around. My oldest son was up and I changed the table around and I was talking to him or whatever because he went to a college fair today. He is a junior in high school, so he was just telling me more about that because when he got home he was tired and took a nap. But anyway, I'm just wiping the table down. I changed it around like I said, and I like it like that. My son said he liked it when the make our that's set up. So we're gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna mop this floor, put down new kitchen mats that I forgot about, and I'm gonna show y'all from Amazon. Oh man, y'all, I am tired. Okay, so this starts the kitchen here if we're going to be technical. Oh, I'm petty, y'all. But here we go. Slow motion for you. Showing you that I did a nice and thorough clean. Change the table around a different direction. Got the candles on the table going. Got the garbage over there that the boys will take out in the morning. New fresh garbage bag in there. A view of the table from here. And when I come on around, here is the sink, baby. It was full of them dishes. Remember, y'all? So I got that together. I got underneath the kitchen sink together. Those pipes, it is, whoever did that need to be knocked out. I'm working on getting something to cover that up. I just cannot stand that at all. The maintenance man took one of my drawers and supposed to have been fixing it and never brought it back. He brought one back, but he didn't bring the other one back. It's like, really? dude, like, where is my stuff at? So I'm like, do I supposed to file a police report for a missing drawer? I clean inside of the air fryer because, baby, them bacon drippings, ooh, that grease and stuff be dripping. Got it nice, shiny, and clean. Cleaned off the counters. Cleaned off the microwave and on top of the microwave. Cleaned the, rubbed down the wash down. I washed down the, what is the name of this thing? Dishwasher. And I washed down the drawers here. Got the stove together. This here is the pot that I boil smell goods in there, so I just leave it there. Got it together. Got it together. Move the barbecue grill under here. Ooh, baby. I got so much stuff under here, but hey, I have low storage here in this apartment, so I have to put stuff where I can put it. Up here. But eventually I am going to find another way, something to do with this area here. But for now, that's it. And I got the floor together really nice. And all I have to do is open up my kitchen mats and put those down. But I'm proud of myself. I really pushed through and got the kitchen clean. The front room, oh, that's a different story for another day. Hey, maybe I'll just save that for tomorrow. Or maybe I'll tackle it now. I mean, I'm not sure. I'm not sleepy. I am not sleepy. I have been trying to go to bed and get my rest early, go to bed early and stuff like that. But tonight, I'm just really, really not sleepy. But I'm going to take me a nice shower. I'm going to take me a nice shower and I'm going to relax, probably watch a couple of movies or something like that. But yeah, I got everything together and I just took another load of clothes out of the dryer. I'm like, oh my goodness. And then I got my Amazon stuff that I need to return. And I have pulled some stuff out of the closet over here like an idiot. It's so much stuff in that one little closet. It's ridiculous. But I'm going to declutter that. It's like I just need to declutter and just get things together. Put the clothes of mine that I folded, put those up in my room. Yeah. Oh, I want to show y'all. I want to show y'all the. Got my umbrella in here. Ugh, I'm tripping. It was raining so hard today in Chicago, y'all. I got these mats. The mats that I had for the kitchen floor got so worn out. So I got new ones. I'm gonna show y'all. Here they are. It says that these are anti-fatigue kitchen mat. So I usually have two mats, one in front of the stove and one in front of the sink. And oh my goodness, it just felt so crazy not having it in the house, but I couldn't find it where I can order it with just the two long mats by itself. So it came in a 2-pack, the short mat and the long mat. So I put one in front of the fridge and one in front of the stove. That was a 1-pack from Amazon. I believe it was like $30 some. And then I put one in front of the kitchen sink and one in front of the deep freezer. So that's my mop bucket and stuff in the corner. We put a towel under the door so we can keep out the that draft, the cold air, and also the rain, because one day it like almost flooded the house really bad. So yeah, this garbage is going out in the morning. So everything is done. I am about to take a really nice shower, say my prayers, and head to bed. Hey y'all. Whew, I got me some good sleep after cleaning the kitchen last night. So today is Thursday, March 20th, and it is 7:57 a.m. This time is flying. What? 7:57 a.m. Goodness. And I am up getting the front room, the living room together. Getting these clothes folded. I think I have one more load. I fold clothes so fast. I believe I have one more load in the dryer and one load that needs to go in the actual washing machine. I took the clothes out of here and put them in my room because the majority of clothes that was on top of the couch was mine. So got those out. Let's go over there. It's a basket back here, and it has my kids' uniform clothes. My youngest three, it has their uniforms in it because they have to wear uniforms to school. So I'm just getting the last of these clothes so far folded. It's a lot of socks, so I'm going to put those socks in a sock bag. And I'm just excited about being done, having the apartment together. It's like, because when you got the apartment together, it's like you just feel, it just naturally more like home. No clutter, no mess. So I got everything together. I got all the clothes set. I got to put my youngest daughter I have to put her book up. I have to get this Amazon box up out of here. And in the closet area, I got that together over there. The shoes and stuff. I got that together off camera because I was all bending over. I was like, they don't need to see all that. Too much going on. So, and I kind of had to force myself to do that because your girl, whew, even though I got me some good sleep, I'm still like tired and I'm kind of emotionally drained, like just fighting through my feelings, trying not to let my feelings get the best of me and stuff like that. But I shall return, y'all. Okay, so the boys, Makai or Malik, my sons, neither one of them took the garbage out this morning. So I said, okay, no big deal. I'm just going to run the garbage bag out and the box from last night. But, baby, let me show you something. Now, keep in mind, I have on my nightgown and some house shoes talking about I'm about to run this garbage out. Who? Who running the garbage out in a nightgown and some house shoes? Not me. Oh my goodness, I didn't know it snowed. This weather is crazy. I'm proud of myself. I am all done. Got the TV shining when we watch a movie or a show or whatever. Got the furniture looking nice and neat, no clothes on the couch. We can just sit down and relax. Everything came together, literally. Like, everything is done. I'm so proud of myself. And even though I'm in a depressed, mourning, grieving state, I feel so much better with having the apartment clean. And it is very satisfying that I did it all by myself. I'm so, so thankful that God made me to be a strong woman. Even if I didn't accomplish cleaning the apartment, that won't mean that I'm not strong. But I really, really thank God for my strength, is what I'm saying. Okay, y'all. I will talk to y'all soon. I hope everyone has a very, very nice day.